How do you fix Dead as Disco is crashing on Steam? So first you will need to right click the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and go to this link, which is in the description. Now, from this table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 redistributables, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So after the restart, what you need to do is check for your GPU updates. So you will need to use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And then from the drivers tab here, you will need to check for updates and install the latest available ones. And once you're done, you'll need to start Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.